Good evening, everyone. My name is Khushi. I would like to share my insights on the critical role of health and wellness in achieving business success. So, first of all, I have seen firsthand the impact of employees' health and wellness on business performance. Employees' health and wellness is critical for business success because it directly impacts their productivity, creativity, and employees' retention also. Employees, when employees are physically and mentally well, they are more engaged, creative and productive, which it's all from my side. Now I would like to hand over my co-partner Davinder to share her insights on this topic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kushi, and thank you everyone for having me on this panel today. I will discuss about the strategies for promoting health and wellness and their benefits for the employees and the employers. The strategies are: the companies can create a wellness culture. They can encourage open conversation on mental health, provide resources for stress management, and promotes work-life balance. Thank you. This is over from my side, and we are open for the questions.
All right. Thank you to you both. Now I would request everyone, if they have any questions, they can ask. But first of all, I will be starting with a question. My question is to you both here, right? Now, when you people say that employees' mental health or well-being, so can you please come up with what is your thought process?
If the employees will get better pay, I think if they will get better pay, better recognition, what they are working, so I'll think the employees will pay better attention to their work.
Okay, my dear panelists. So do you think that the private sector also should start working like the government of India? People will not do anything. Now they will work upon 8th pay commission. Just keep on increasing the salary. And where is the productivity?
No, I think the private employers are working more than the required working hours. During as they are working from home,
we are not talking of working from home only. We are talking
if you are working from home or working from office, I think in private sectors they are putting extra efforts to complete they are giving the employers are giving burdens, extra load. And comparatively, if you check outside India,
about quick feedbacks now, right? Number one, Khushi and Davinder. Content was crisp. It was good prepared, right? Both of you knew what to speak, what not to speak, and it was very well calculated, right? Content structure was good. That's why your content was quite good, but it ended in 4 minutes, 30 seconds here, right? Now, when it comes to, public handling, when you were answering the questions, Davinder, you took over all the questions. Instead, you could have passed on to Khushi. Hi, Khushi, would you like to take up this question? If Khushi says, no, thanks, you go ahead. Because you people did a very formal way. Na? When Khushi, you finished, now I would like to ask my co-panelist, Davinder, to take over. बहुत अच्छा फॉर्मल शुरू किया था दोनों ने, राइट? ये हो सकता था, राइट? Then it was good, nicely spoken, and I must say, like, जो सबसे authentic and formal look could be given, you both have given it. So, big round of applause for that. Now,